Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good, preparing well for your exam. I welcome you all in my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Asian universities part 2nd. So in part 1st I have discussed 6 Asian universities which are very important for our paper 1, and today we will be completing our all the Asian universities in this video only. So this is the second part of Ancient Indian Universities notes. This is the most important section in higher education for paper 1. So let's start, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe for all the UGC NET paper 1 material and paper 2 English literature. So let's start Asian universities. Pushpagiri universities. First we are going to deal with today Pushpagiri University. This is Pushpagiri located in ancient Kalinga, present day Odisha. In ancient it was Kalinga and present day it is Odisha. It is older than Nalanda University. So in chronology when come, so you have to mention that Pushpagiri University first. The university spreads across the three Iconic hills, Lalitgiri, Ratnagiri, Udayagiri. Okay, don't have to forget. If they ask you what are the three adjoining hills, so these are the Lalitgiri, Ratnagiri, and Udayagiri. It was an ancient Buddhist Mahavihara or monastic complex located atop Langudi Hills, where it is located upon Langudi Hill. It is mentioned in the writing of Yuzhang, a Chinese travel. The visit of Yuzhang shows that the Pushpagiri was an important Buddhist site in the ancient India. It flourished between the 3rd and 11th century CE. So this is about Pushpagiri. You can have a look and you can write in your notebook too if you want. And this is about Pushpagiri, important point. Next is Odantpuri University. Odantpuri University was set up in Odantpuri, Bihar. It was a Buddhist Mahavihara. Most of the universities are of all Buddhist only. It was founded by the Pala Emperor Gopala I in the 8th century. Important is that it was founded by the Pala Emperor Gopala I in the 8th century. So they can ask in exam that who founded the Odantpuri University. So the answer will be Pala Emperor Gopala I. It is considered the second oldest of India's Mahavihars after Nalanda University. So it is after the Nalanda University. Okay. University attracted students from far and near, but it could not get status or fame that was attained by Nalanda or Vikramshila. Subject taught range from Buddhism to Vedic scriptures. The prominent personality of this university was Acharya Sri Ganga of Vikramshila. So this was not a very famous university, but what is the important in this which we have to learn for our exam point of view is it was founded by the Pala Emperor Gopala and the prominent personality of this Acharya Sri Ganga of Vikramshila. Okay. So Vikramshila University. This is very important university, and see Vikramshila and Nalanda University are the two most important center of learning in India during the Pala Empire. So if they ask you what are the two most important universities of the Pala Empire, so the answer will be Vikramshila and Nalanda University. These are very important if you are not reading any other universities, but please do read Vikramshila and Nalanda University. And if you are preparing for JRF or more tough exam, so you have to read this two videos I am giving. But if you are reading very lightly, so read Vikramshila and Nalanda University. But if you want to achieve something, so read all the universities because they can ask you from anywhere. Okay, so Vikramshila and Nalanda University are the two most important centers of learning in India during the Pala Empire. It is located in Antichak village, Bhaglapur district in Bihar. All most of the are nearby or in Bihar. It was founded by Pala Emperor Dharmapal. Friend, Vikramshila by Dharmapal. In every, I have told you 6 in my previous video, and in this video I am telling you the founder which are very important. They can even give you match to do it, okay? If they will give you to match Odantpuri University, so you are going to match with Gopala 1 and Vikramshila University to the Pala Empire Dharmapala, okay? Do not forget. The main reason of founding Vikramshila University was the decline in quality scholarship at Nalanda, okay? They can also ask you what was the main reason of founding the Vikramshila University. The answer will be decline in quality scholarship at Nalanda. The learning center also housed several temples. Subject taught were logic, philosophy, Vyakran, Karma, Karamkand, Shastra, and more. It for about 4 centuries before it was destroyed by Bhaktyar Khilji along with other major center of Buddhism in India. See, uh, one more university was destroyed, and this is also destroyed by Bhaktyar Khilji. This is Vikramshila University. Okay. Vikramshila is known to us mainly through Tibetan source, especially the writing of Tarannath, the Tibetan monk historian of the 16th 17th century. So, if they ask you the question from where we come to know about the Vikramshila University, so the answer will be Tibetan source Tarannatha, the Tibetan monk historian. Okay. Somapura University. Somapura University. Somapura Mahavihara, located in Paharpur, Badlagachi, Upazila, Nagaon district, Bangladesh. So Somapura University is located in Bangladesh, and it was asked in the NET exam. So we have to keep in mind. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. So the question comes that which university was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985? The answer will be Somapura University. Okay, it was established by Pala king Dharmapal in the late 7th century, and Dharmapal has, see, same Dharmapal has also established Vikramshila and Somapura also. So do not confuse. Vikramshila and Somapura are the established by Dharmapala. Subject taught range from Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. It flourished from more than 400 years till 12th century. Okay, so Yong Yang, a Chinese scholar, recite that the Sompura Mahavidyalaya, the largest university in the ancient India. Okay, the earliest form of Bengali language began to emerge during the 8th century. Okay, so this is the important about Somapura University. All the points are very important. So, Bikrampur University. Bikrampur Vihara is located at Raghurampur village, Bikrampur, Munsingganj district in Bangladesh. So, it is also in Bangladesh, and Sompura was also in Bangladesh. Okay. It is built by Dharmpal in the late 17th century. Dharmpal has really his third university is also invented by Dharampal. The university has a connection to Atisha, an important figure in Tibetan Buddhism. So they can ask which university was has connection to Atisha, an important figure in Tibetan Buddhism. The answer will be Vikrampur University. Okay. Some 8,000 students and professors came to study here as far as China, Tibet, Thailand, and Nepal. Jag, Jagdala University. Jagadala University. This is our Jagdala Mahavihara is presently located in North Bengal, Bangladesh, it was a Buddhist monastery. It was founded by the Rampal. So do not confuse, it is Rampal, not Dharampal. So Dharampal has founded how many universities? Sompura, and you know that Bikramshila is Dharampal, Bikramshila, Sompura, and Bakirampur. It is these three universities are established by the Dharampal, and Jagadala is established and founded by the Rampal, okay, ruler of the Pala dynasty. The subject taught regained from Sanskrit and was Rayan Buddhism. Also, a large number of Tibetan sacred text prayer composed as Jada Dalla University or Nadia University, and these are the very minor universities for exam. They may can ask, and if they ask in depth, so we have to know all these universities. Nadia University, it is located at the conflux of Ganga and Jalangi river in Bengal. It was set up after the destruction of Takshila and Nalanda University. So the if question comes that which university was set up after the deconstruction of Takshila and Nalanda University, the answer will be Nadia University. Subject taught were logic, politics, law and Vyakran. Prominent scholar produced from this university was Jayadeva, who composed Gita Govind. So this is very important. See, Jayadeva is important. They can ask the question also. Name the composer of Gita Govind. The answer will be Jayadeva. Okay. If the question comes, who composed Gita Govind? The answer will be Jayadeva. And if they ask Jayadeva was the prominent scholar of which university? Nadia University. Okay. Nagarjuna Vidyapeeth. It is ancient university located on the bank of Krishna river. This is named after famous Buddhist scholar Nagarjuna. Archaeological evidence suggests that the university and its library flourished within the 7th century. Subject taught ranged from medicines, mineralogy, geography, science to philosophy and teaching of Buddhism. So friend, in this two video, first and the second video, I have completed all the important universities for your exam net. So no more universities we have to read, only this much is very, and the important point also I have given you all the selected, these are all the selected points. So I hope you all now get the universities, Asian universities. So for more videos related to the higher education and related to the our first paper, you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye. Take care.